All right, I just got back from the church. Right, what did I learn? I learned about generosity. I learned that generosity is more than what you do not have. No, generosity is not about what you do not have. It's about what you do have. Some of you might be thinking, yo, EK, what are you saying? Are you telling me to give something? Are you telling me to give me money or me gifts? No. Sometimes the most expensive, the most pricey, the most cherished things are intangible. Your time, your presence is more, carries more weight than any gifts you can throw at people, fam. Just being there for them. Just being there. Just being there for them. Just being there. Just being there for them. Just being there. Yeah, just being there for him. Just being there makes a massive difference, bro. So give your time to someone this week, yeah. God bless you. Bye bye.